I'm in a medical situation at the moment, which means my food is provided to me by others, so I'm not responsible for cooking my food. And one of the things that this means is I've been getting a lot more raisins than I've ever had before, and I really like raisins, and for some reason I wanted to look into what they were and how they were made and stuff. So I was looking into it now, and I see that sultanas and currants are part of the process. And what this made me realize when I've looked at the production methods for raisins, I'm realizing how complex human food production is. The methods and techniques and the chemicals and processes and the time it takes and the expertise that's needed to create the food that we eat. Now, normally in my life, I'll go and buy a bag of raisins or whatever, and I don't think twice about it. They're there in the shop and I buy it. And I see raisins in foods that I eat, and it doesn't cross my mind where they came from or how they're made or anything like that. But when I look into it now, I see that there's all these chemical processes and techniques and methods, and it's all complex how a raisin is made. And I'm realizing this applies to lots of food that we eat. There's all kinds of methods and techniques to create the food that we eat. And it really is basically amazing how complicated all these processes are to create our food. And I'm just going to the supermarket and buy this stuff, and I don't think twice about how much effort has gone into creating these products to eat and manufacturing them. And the people have to grow stuff, and they have to use chemicals and techniques and methods, and the timing has to be correct, and temperature has to be correct, and water supply. There's 100 things that go into making the food that we eat. And I don't think twice about it. I just put the stuff in my shopping trolley and go and buy it, and that's the end of it. I've never thought about how this food is created and how much effort and expertise is necessary to make this stuff. And then I moan about something costing 20 pence too much or whatever. But I'm just astounded by how, what's the word, how expert humans are in creating the stuff around us. And obviously, it's not just food, there's so many things that I just take for granted and I use every day. And I don't think about the effort and the expertise it is taken to make it possible. Like I turn the tap on, water flows, and to think about all of the things that need to work for water to flow out my tap, the piping and the power supply and the cleanliness and that they make sure there's no bugs in the water. And there's so many things that need to work, and it does work, and it's all quite easy from as far as I can see. But when I think about it, I realize just how impressive it is, the things that are around us all the time, our food and water. A lot of processes need to work well and to make it all possible. So I'm very impressed and very grateful for it.